With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi everyone, our question is 3 numbers are selected at random one by one with the replacement from the numbers 1, 2, 3 up to 60. The probability that the AM of the numbers selected is 15 is okay. So we have to find the probability of AM of the numbers selected is 15. Okay. So there are 3 numbers are selected at random one by one with the replacement in the numbers of 1 to 60. Okay. So we denote n of s is equal to, so there are totally 60 terms. So 60. So there are 3 numbers are selected at random one by one. So first with replacement, they have given with replacement. That means first time we select means there will be 60. Second time is 60, and then third time also 60. So we can write n of s is the whole cube. Okay. So this is our total outcome. And next is, since the AM of the 3 numbers is 15 is given. Okay. So since AM of the 3 numbers is 15. Okay. So their sum will be, okay. So and their sum will be what? Their sum will be equal to, so 15 into, there are totally 3 numbers are selected random one by one with replacement. So that means 15 into 3, which is equal to 45. 45 is the sum of sum. Okay. So now let's consider this 3 numbers now. So that one, x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 45, because sum is equal to 45. Okay. So that's why we place x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal to 45. Okay. So that means there is no number of integral solution. Okay. So this means then number of integral solution. So then here in this x1, so x1 will be greater than or equal to 1. Okay, not less than 1. Okay, so that means x2 will be greater than equal to 1, and then x3 will be greater than equal to 1. So we can write this one as like the coefficient of x power 45 in x plus x square plus x cube up and so on up to infinity, the whole cube. Okay. So here we can write this term as coefficient of x power 45 in the x plus x square plus x3 x power x cube up to infinity, the whole cube. Okay. So if we consider, so x1 dash plus x2 x2 dash and then x3 dash. Okay. So we placed x1 dash plus x2 dash and then plus x3 dash. Okay. So that means which is equal to, so there are totally 45 terms. So 45 minus 3, we get 42, because here having 1 plus 1 plus 1 3. Okay. So 3 plus 42 45. Okay. That's why we write this term. Okay. Next this is this x1 dash is the number of integral solution. Okay. So this is the number of integral solution. In this term, this x1 dash will be greater than 0, and similarly x2 dash will be greater than 0, and then x3 dash will be greater than 0. So this x1 dash is a number of integral solution. Okay. So first we write our number of integral solution will be equal to, so n minus r minus 1 c r minus 1. Okay. So this is the formula. Okay. If we substitute n is equal to 42 and r is equal to 3, then we having n is equal to 42 and next minus r is equal to 3 minus 1 c 3 minus 1. Okay. So that means which is equal to 42 minus 4, sorry, this one is plus. Okay. So n plus r. Okay. So 45 minus 1, which is equal to 44 c 2. Okay. So this is our favorable case. Okay. So we can write our required probability. So therefore required probability will be equal to, favorable cases is what? 44 C2 divided by total cases what? So this is our n of s total case. So that is 60 the whole cube. So therefore this is our required answer. Okay. So 44 C2 divided by 60 cube. So that means option 3. So option 3, 44C2 divided by 60 cube. So option 3 is our right answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.